Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. So today we'll be talking about what's the secret ingredient for the success of a brand. So let's just say that you have a YouTube channel or a website, and what is the one thing that's going to hold your website, your membership, or your brand together that helps you to grow exponentially, short term and long term. So first off, we're going to talk about the short term benefit of having this one thing, this one feature, this one ingredient for your brand. Whether you're starting out, doesn't matter what platform you choose to grow on, whether it's on a blog post or e-commerce, or Amazon, eBay, or YouTube, or Instagram, or TikToks. So the main thing is to create quality, helpful content for free for the majority of it. So you want to just really offer that content consistently on a regular basis. It doesn't matter what tools you use, doesn't matter you have this X, Y, and Z tool of keyword research or AI writing tool or SEO tools. All those tools are to help you create and to publish more great content for the audience. So the moment that you stop producing, the moments that you delay producing or publishing the blog posts or the videos, that's the moment when your channel is start to not gain as much traction and to grow and to become more successful. So to be able to keep up with the consistent creating great content for free, that's how you can grow an audience faster and faster. And it might take you 6 months, 9 months to a year, but the main thing is if you do it consistently, if you're posting one video per week, and you're posting 2 blog posts per week, so 1 video or 2 blog posts or both, then at the end of 1 year to 2 years, you're going to see some results. Some going to see some traction. Some people are going to discover you on your website, and you can start to gain more attention, more audience if you keep at it consistently. I truly believe that Google has a sandbox also, not just on the website when you create a website, but also for a YouTube channel, in the sense that after the 6 months, if you're not you're posting consistently for 6 months, and after that you're 6 to 9 months and your channel start to pick up and YouTube start to notice you more, if you choose to publish consistently every week. And there's some outliers out there. There's a lot of channels out there, they only post once a month and they still grow an audience. But the main thing is to grow consistently. It helps your audience to grow faster. And the main thing, the second ingredient that's going to help you with the long-term benefit for your brand is going to be to grow an email list to help you to connect with your audience. So on YouTube, they have subscriber count to help notify the other people about your videos. But the main thing is having a email list is going to help you to connect, whether YouTube gonna push your videos or not, whether the Google gonna show your website on the top of Google's or not. The main thing is be able to connect to thousands and thousands of email subscribers. That's gonna give you a lot of attention and to kind of like update your fans about what's going on with your brand and what's you're promoting, or whether it's a course you're coming out, or whether it's a new book, whether it's new website. So all these services and that you offer, you can, if you have an email list, it's going to help you to grow exponentially long term, versus just grinding out content. It's going to help you short term, but the key ingredient is to have that email list. Whether it doesn't matter is you're starting out with only 300 email lists, but the main thing is the person, the subscriber to the email list. These people, they're really your true friend, your true fans for your brand. Then definitely it's going to help you to grow faster. So I want to talk about the lifetime deal that's going on right now through the email platform that they offer. The first one they have on Appsumo is going to be called Zagomail, and Zagomail right now offer a lifetime deal whether you have to get 8,000 up to 40,000 email subscriber, and it's only 200, so it's $70 per 8,000 email subscribers, so it's about $200 to $300. You can send unlimited email to these 40,000 subscriber with free unlimited landing page and unlimited emails to these subscribers, and it's a great deal. So check it out through the links at the bottom, and you can also find a lot of great deals through Appsumo. If you search out, there's a lot of great email software on there as well. And the second one I want to touch on is going to be SendFox, and SendFox also offer very similar to what Zagomail offer. The thing is, Zagomail offer the white label campaign, meaning that it doesn't show on the email that this is offer. The email they send to your email subscriber is not going to say Zagomail. It might say it's white label. So as far as I know, as of this time of recording, but with SendFox, the thing is they do have labeling of SendFox on your email when even if you buy the lifetime deal on Appsumo there. So they go, I believe there are 3 tiers that they offer on SendFox. Correct me if I'm wrong, but on SendFox they offer you a lot, but it's still not truly white labeling on that platform that you have, even though it's unlimited email just like Zagomail, and I believe unlimited landing page. But the automation through Zagomail is really great. You can automate, you can create a way to segment all these email members or subscribers, and then let's just say you got this email from people who are interested in your YouTube channel, this email from your blog post on this particular audience interested in your creation, course creation, or etc., and then another group that interested more into like blog posts on how to grow on your blog, etc. And you can set up automation where people just purchase your course or just sign up for your email, and then they in an hour later or a couple of days later get a second email saying this and that. And the automation to Zagomail is really great, and I try it out and really love what they have to offer. So I hope that you get a chance to check it out at Appsumo right now, and I believe they're gonna ending their sale soon and the price gonna go up. So let me know if you have a chance to check it out, and see you in the next video.